To make a surface crochet outline, we'll start with our slip knot, but leave it off the hook for now. We're going to make an outline around the avocado here in the center of this square. So go into one of the stitches along the edge, place the slip knot on your hook, and pull that through. Then go into the top of the next stitch, and let's get our working yarn here. Yarn over, pull that through the square and through the loop to make a slip stitch. Then go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull that through the square and the loop, and we're going to repeat this all the way around the stitches at the edges of the avocado. I'm almost finished working all the way around the edge of the avocado now. So I've done the last one. I'm going to cut my yarn a little long, and I'm going to pull the loop all the way through. Then I will thread my yarn tail onto a tapestry needle. And I'm going to use that to thread the tail under both loops of the first slip stitch that I made. And then I will go back through the same place where that tail is coming out, and that completes my outline.